Merry Christmas. I'm so excited to do another annual what I got for Christmas 2024. So I'm just so excited to be showing you guys everything that I got because I know you guys are eating it up as well. I was so blessed this year and I'm just really happy that every year it gets better and better, not just gift wise, but also just spending time with my family, having a good time, getting crunk with the parents is always so fun. I'm so excited to show you guys everything that I got. Honestly, everyone ate. I don't want to ramble on too long because I know you guys aren't here to see me. I know you guys are here to see them. So let's get started with the shit in a bit. Before any of you little bitches want to go and comment down below, I obviously am not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. You guys know the deal, but I am a little bit. I am a little bit because these girls are good. I'm happy with them. Okay, let's put our little Santa hat on and let's get started. Honestly, this year, a lot of the things were like pre-Christmas gifts, so I got them. They weren't even wrapped. They didn't even make it into the box. I just got them for myself and I was able to enjoy them like throughout December. First things first are PJs. These PJs I actually got like in October because there was a sale, but it ended up being Christmas money. So these are my two new PJ sets for this winter month. First ones are these that I have not taken off. They're the most me PJs. Next ones are these, which I'm so happy I got these early on because if I would have just gotten them on Christmas, I wouldn't have been able to wear them until next winter. They give me like such like little girl vibes. Like I feel like it brings in my inner child. Next, the next thing was actually a present to myself. It was from me to me. I was my own Santa. But I ended up pulling the trigger. I was like, girl, it's Christmas. Get yourself something nice, something pretty. So I got these mini low-waisted sequined revolve shorts. They're just so beautiful. I love them so much and I think they are going to be perfect for my New Year's outfit. Like I think that outfit is gonna be so me and perfect and beautiful. This next present was from my mom and they were these little Zara boots. I am absolutely obsessed with them. Literally, they're like the true loves of my life. Like honestly, if I didn't have my boyfriend, like these boots would be enough for me. They're so sexy. I went shopping with my mom literally like 2 weekends before Christmas and I saw them, I showed them to her and I was like, oh, they're so beautiful. And she was like, get them. They'll be a Christmas present. And I was like, ah! I went to that checkout counter right away. I was like, before this girl changes her mind. This next present was from my sister. My sister, honestly, all the workout sets I use are from her. I only have like 2 good pairs of leggings and that's it. I don't even really have like good pairs of like sports bras or anything. They're all my sister's. Well, this was honestly like for both of us. My sister has like literally every color of the Lululemon Define jackets and what's mine is hers and what's hers is mine. She has the brown one, so she got the matching brown leggings so we can have like a little matching set. It's really nice because now I have another daily wear pair of leggings, which I'm really excited about. Did she leave the price on here on purpose? Was she trying to make you feel bad or something? Because I don't. Talking about my sister, her next gift to me was this road set. I bought myself the glazing milk a couple months ago. I absolutely love it. She just got me a refill on my glazing milk and then also the new collab that they just did. I'm still so excited to really nice because I had just recently told her I was running out of my glazing milk, so I'm really happy I don't have to get myself the refill and I also get an extra little lippy. Like beautiful. Another gift from my mom, I got these pants right here. I have been in need of jeans. It's a whole story with me. It's a whole story with me. These are definitely like very high rise, but they are so beautiful on. Like I really do feel like they flatter me and they're more like on the looser slash tight side. I don't know how to explain these. They're just the most beautiful fit. I honestly thought I was gonna buy them for myself, but my mom ended up getting them for me and I'm really happy she did because they are very, very nice and flattering. They are very long on me, so she did say she was gonna help me like fix them up because I think they need to be like this much cut off. My boyfriend did an amazing job this year. He got me an aloe set, which was already worn. He got me the black joggers or like sweatpants and the matching crew neck in black, obviously. And this is the most comfortable, beautiful thing. I love how the set looks on, but it's also so cute because I can wear both of these pieces separately as well and get a lot of use out of them. You're comfortable, but in a way you're still like you just look put together. Sets just make you look put together and more mostly if they're from Aloe, you're slaying. You're doing everything right. He also got me this Rhode lippy. I had been telling him I wanted this brown color and he got it for me. I have their other color. I'm pretty sure it's like raspberry something. I have raspberry jelly. I use it all the time. I really love this like color on my lips, but I saw my sister had this one and I really loved it. I thought it was really pretty, so I finally got my hands on it. Oh, this one's espresso and I'm just so happy about it. I'm so excited to use it. What sucks is it's just in so like beautiful pristine condition. Like I don't want to start using it yet, but obviously I must. If you know me, you know I love makeup. I am a makeup girly. You can buy me makeup, you can buy me Sephora gift cards. I don't care. I love it. My boyfriend's family got me my favorite makeup products. These are things I already own. So these are, wow. These are all products I already own. Like they're some of like my favorites. They just got me in different shades, which I'm so happy about. First thing is they got me my favorite blush. This is Soft Hinge Dewy Liquid Blush. I love Rare Beauty products. I think they're so good. And they got me in my favorite shade, Happy. I don't know if my boyfriend helped them out. I don't know if they actually just like watch my videos or whatever, but it made me really happy and it made me just feel, what is that saying? Like, to be loved is to be seen. I don't know. It actually touched my heart so much. Even my mom was like, oh, these are really like cute gifts. His mom and dad also got me this Positive Light liquid highlighter. I also already have this. I just have it in a different shade. They got me in Mesmerize. It's more of like a pinky rosy color, which I think is so good for when I like blush, like, and I want more of like a glowy look. I think that would look so pretty. Which I also have the Positive Light Silky Touch highlighter in Enlighten, but they got it for me in more of like the champagne-y color. I am so happy about. This was from his grandma, which I can't get out. I love his grandma. She's literally like, she's like my grandma since I don't have any grandparents, and getting this from her was so nice because I know she didn't know that I wanted it, but it's because I already have this. I just have it in Enlighten. Again, that's like the shade I mostly use, is more of like a white pearl. I'm so excited because I was literally thinking of getting this myself. On the topic of like makeup and stuff like that, I got a couple stuff from the Parts. I got some Too Faced lip liners. I got them in Espresso Shot and Puffy Nude. I actually had just recently bought this myself and I absolutely loved it. So I got just a new one, a little refill. Their Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. I absolutely love this. Like I really do feel, I don't know if it's all in my head. I don't know what it is. I feel like it makes my hair absolutely sleek, smooth. I also got a refill on my favorite perfume body spray. I am not a perfume girly. It just makes my head, I don't know, I've always been really sensitive when it comes to perfumes and I feel like I've just never found my scent, and if I have, it makes my head hurt. Like I end up feeling sick. I don't know. So I've always used like more mist and stuff like that, and this Sol de Janeiro 71 spray has absolutely changed my life. Not only does it smell amazing, I always get so many compliments, but it actually lasts all day and I don't feel sick while wearing it, and I smell yummy. And then finally my mom got me this. This is a Bioderma like water spray kind of. I have very dry skin and I love using the Clinique Moisture Surge spray, but it's so hard to get. Like you can only, or at least I've only ever been able to get it in like holiday sets, and it's the mini version or the full version, but it's like directly from the Clinique website. First world problems. Like honestly, I sound so stupid. So my mom got me this and I'm really happy about it. It feels amazing. It's like half of the price. I don't know. It's a really good brand. I've used like different stuff from Bioderma and I know it's a good brand. I know it's good for my skin, mostly me that I have pretty sensitive skin, and I'm just really happy about it. That was low-key an early Christmas present because I was there with my mom when she got it for me. But you know, like around the holidays when whatever like you see, you're like, oh, I need a new toothbrush, and then your mom's like, for Christmas. That's kind of what that was. Next, okay, these two things I have physically, but they're not necessarily mine, but they will be. So I really needed a new case for my phone. I have the Apple silicone phone case. I absolutely loved it, but you know, those go to shit after a while. So I've been using my Wildflower case my boyfriend got me last year, which I do love. I just feel like it's not as me as it was last year. I really loved more like the cases I'm about to show you. So this is the case I had on my phone, that Apple silicone silicone phone case, and although it literally got destroyed because I used and abused her, I love her so much and I really wanted her again. I just feel like it's so sleek, but the pink is just so me. Like, I love it. My parents reordered it for me, but it was reordered a little late, so it's not getting here until after Christmas. I'm pretty sure like in a few days or a week, but I will be having a new one of this and then I will finally throw this one away. The next thing is also a Christmas present, but the reason why it's not necessarily mine is because it's a Rode phone case. So my sister has like every color and I never like paid too much attention to it. Like, they were just like, they're cute but just not for me. But when she got this brown, the espresso color, I thought they were so beautiful and I just thought it would be a really nice case when I get tired of this one, and I feel like these are a lot harder for anything to like happen to them. My parents did give me the green light that I can buy myself a case, like they'll sponsor me a case. So I'm just gonna save that money that they're gonna give me for the case and just wait for when it goes in stock, because right now it's out of stock on the size I need. Before I forget, another Christmas gift is Raul Alejandro tickets. Those are a present for myself, to myself, but I actually just ordered the tickets with my best friend Miranda like literally a couple weeks ago. We just got them not even 2 weeks ago. This was one of my favorite presents. This was like the main gift from my parents and I was so happy with it. They got me the aloe sheer duffel bag. It comes with the little strap and everything. I am so happy with it. If you guys don't know, I just recently started, well, not just recently, I have like a good amount of months, over 8 months ago, 6 months ago, I started doing spin and I've been extremely consistent with it and I've seen so much change, not only physically but within myself, and it's just game changer, game changer. Anyways, I really needed a bag to put my spin shoes in, a fucking deodorant or like chapstick, just like little things here and there, my water bottle. I really wanted it. I just couldn't pull the trigger myself, so I'm so blessed and happy that my parents were able to get it for me. Like, I literally already have my spin shoes in here. Like, I'm so excited to get the use out of her. Okay guys, the last two things I'm considering Christmas presents just because they came around Christmas and they just ended up under my tree. I don't know. So these are actually PR, but Alani literally DM'd me and they're like, oh, we want to send you a little Christmas gift. So that's why I'm including them, because they were kind enough to send me a whole ass 12 pack of Alani's and in my favorite flavor. Like, I am so happy. Thank you so much, Alani. You made my Christmas. And then also Rare Beauty, Miss Selena Gomez herself, as I would like to think, sent over their Find Comfort and Awaken Confidence new line, and my mom just put it under our Christmas tree, and I mean, I just ended up opening it on Christmas. But this is their newest addition to their Find Comfort body collection. It's their body and hair fragrance mist and the bouncy body cream. I am so happy about this. Here's Miss Selena herself. But look, I just got a restock. I've been getting PR recently from Rare Beauty and it is the best thing that could ever happen to me. Before I forget, ladies, my mom got me these beautiful, amazing black boots and I loved them so much. And when I was looking through Zara, me and my mom just love scrolling, I saw these same exact boots in gold, fell in love with them, and I showed them to my mom and I'm like, oh my god, these are even more expensive than those. Like, they're so beautiful. I love them, but obviously I was not gonna buy them for myself. Like, I wasn't even willing to buy the black ones. And my sweet mother told me that I could order them for myself as like another little Christmas present. Obviously, me and my sister get to share, so it's a win-win, but I am so happy. So now I also have the gold one, the gold version of those coming, and that was like my last little Christmas gift. It was the perfect way to end my Christmas. I am so happy. Like, I literally am so happy with everything that I got. Honestly, the aloe set made it. My boyfriend made my Christmas. Okay guys, that is all. I will see you guys in my next video, probably my New Year's vlog I'm thinking of doing, but we will see. We will see, because I don't want to promise you guys anything. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Actually, for real now, bye.